fuck off, he's fucking driving. Fucking idiot. John, wait. Can I use one?
Sure.
Personal cars for my personal game. And today we're gonna learn about what is the most fastest and coolest car ever. If you're in the car, stay tuned and watch the whole video. You're gonna see me and Luke see who's the fastest in this car. Yeah? Okay. So let's see. Subscribe and comment and like the video. We're not gonna take long. It's gonna be a few hours. The fastest car. No, it's not the fastest. Have you guys ever played 99 Nights? Just almost finish it if you have that already. Comment, follow, subscribe.
It's my phone.